Ever pondered on the magnitude of the world's largest lakes? These expansive bodies of water are more than just picturesque landscapes. They are vital ecosystems, teeming with a variety of life forms, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. In today's journey, we'll be exploring the 12 largest lakes in the world, measured by their surface area. From the serene waters of Lake Winnipeg to the vast expanse of the Caspian Sea, each lake tells its unique tale. Our countdown isn't just about size. We'll also delve into the fascinating features that make these lakes stand out, including their depth, the biodiversity they support, and their importance to the surrounding regions. So, get ready to embark on a virtual tour around the globe as we explore these awe-inspiring natural wonders. Let's dive into our countdown, starting with the 12th largest lake in the world, Lake Winnipeg. At number 12, we have Lake Winnipeg, nestled in the province of Manitoba, Canada. This lake stretches over 24,514 square kilometers, making it Canada's 6th largest freshwater lake. Despite its grand size, Lake Winnipeg is relatively shallow, but that doesn't make it any less impressive. Moving to number 11, we find ourselves at Lake Erie, the 4th largest of the Great Lakes in North America. Covering a surface area of 25,700 square kilometers, this lake is not only notable for its size, but also for its unique characteristics. It's the shallowest of the Great Lakes, with a depth of only 64 meters, but its importance to the surrounding area is immeasurable. Next, we travel to the 10th largest lake in the world, the Great Slave Lake. This body of water is the 2nd largest lake in the Northwest Territories of Canada, surpassed only by the Great Bear Lake. But what sets the Great Slave Lake apart is its depth. Plunging over 600 meters, it holds the title for the deepest lake in North America. Our journey takes us next to the 9th largest lake on Earth, Lake Malawi. This lake, which borders Tanzania, Malawi, and Mozambique, is the 3rd largest on the African continent. With a surface area of 29,500 square kilometers, it's the 9th largest by area and the 4th largest by volume worldwide. But what's truly fascinating about Lake Malawi is its biodiversity. This lake is home to more fish species than any other lake in the world. Moving on to the 8th largest lake, we find ourselves on the Arctic Circle at Great Bear Lake. Great Bear Lake, the largest freshwater lake in Canada, holds the 8th position on our list. Nestled within the Northwest Territories on the Arctic Circle, this lake is known for its crystal clear water and impressive depth of 440 meters. The 31,000 square kilometer expanse of Great Bear Lake makes it the 4th largest in North America. Moving on, we find ourselves at Lake Baikal, the largest lake on Earth by volume. With depths plunging over 1,632 meters, it's the deepest and oldest lake in the world. Many argue it should be deemed a sea, considering its vastness. This unique body of water is home to around 1,700 species of plants and animals, and it boasts 27 islands, most of which are uninhabited. Lake Baikal has an abundance of streams and rivers, but only one, the Angara, flows out of it, making a journey to the Arctic Ocean. Next on the list is Lake Tanganyika, whose name means the Great Lake spreading out like a plain. It's the world's longest, 2nd oldest, and 2nd deepest freshwater lake. Covering a surface area of 32,600 square kilometers, Lake Tanganyika flows between Tanzania, Burundi, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Zambia, before flowing into the Atlantic Ocean. It's a remarkable testament to the wonders of natural geography. Our journey then takes us to Lake Michigan, the 5th largest lake in the world. Its name translates to Great Water, a fitting title for a lake that's the 2nd largest by volume and the 3rd largest by surface area among the Great Lakes. It reaches a depth of 280 meters, offering a captivating spectacle for anyone fortunate enough to visit. Next, we travel to Lake Huron, the 4th largest lake in the world. Connected to Lake Michigan, Lake Huron is our 4th largest lake. This vast body of water is nestled between the United States and Canada, and is the 2nd largest by surface area and the 3rd largest by volume of the 5 Great Lakes of North America. With over 30,000 islands within its boundary, Lake Huron provides a diverse and rich ecosystem for a variety of species. Next, we journey to Africa to visit Lake Victoria, the largest freshwater lake on the continent. This lake, which sprawls across Tanzania, Uganda, and Kenya, is the largest tropical lake on Earth and the 2nd largest freshwater lake by surface area, surpassed only by Lake Superior. Lake Victoria is a vibrant hub of life, hosting more than 200 different species of fish, many of which are unique to its waters. Moving on, we come to Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake in the world by surface area. Its name, which translates to Big Seawater, is a testament to its size and grandeur. While it is a critical component of the Great Lakes waterway, serving as a conduit for transporting goods and materials, it is also one of the most dangerous lakes to swim in on Earth due to its unpredictable and often harsh weather conditions. Finally, we arrive at the Caspian Sea. Despite its name, the Caspian Sea is actually a lake as it is entirely landlocked. Nestled between Europe and Asia, this massive body of water is the world's largest lake. Interestingly, the lake is not fresh water. It is partially salty, albeit only a third as salty as seawater, because it was once a part of the ancient Tethys Ocean. The Caspian Sea supports a diverse range of flora and fauna, and is a critical habitat for the endangered beluga sturgeon, the source of the world's finest caviar. And there you have it, the Caspian Sea, the largest lake in the world. From Lake Winnipeg to the Caspian Sea, these bodies of water represent some of the most impressive natural features on our planet. Each of these lakes, whether it's the depth-defying Lake Baikal or the life-rich Lake Victoria, holds a unique place in our world. They serve as vital ecosystems, supporting a diverse range of flora and fauna, and play significant roles in the economies and cultures of their regions. Think about the crystal-clear waters of the Great Bear Lake, the teeming life in Lake Malawi, or the pivotal role of Lake Superior in the Great Lakes waterway. Let's not forget the Caspian Sea, an enormous landlocked body of water that challenges our very definitions of what a lake can be. These lakes remind us of the beauty and complexity of our natural world, and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Thank you for joining this journey through the world's largest lakes. Remember, each lake, no matter its size, holds its own unique charm and significance.